Hello students, my today's topic is about liver. What is liver? So in the diagram, this is liver. Liver is a large reddish brown glandular organ located in the abdomen just below the diaphragm. So ये abdomen है, यहाँ diaphragm होगा और diaphragm के just below हमारे पास liver present है. On the right hypochondrium. Now the question arises, what is diaphragm? Diaphragm is the major muscle of inspiration. The breathing has two components, inspiration and expiration. Inspiration means taking in of air and expiration means taking out of air. So the major muscle which is involved in inspiration is diaphragm. Just below the diaphragm, liver is present. It is a metabolic center, therefore it is richly supplied with the blood. This liver is a metabolic center. So it has a dual blood supply. That means two blood supplies. Number one is through the hepatic artery and number second is through the portal vein. Hepatic artery supplies the oxygenated blood while the portal vein carries the deoxygenated blood from the GIT. A sac-like structure called gallbladder is present on the inferior surface or posterior surface of the liver. This is the जो मैं आपको शो कर रही हूँ, this is the anterior view of the liver. लेकिन अगर हम posterior view से देखेंगे, liver को हटाएंगे अगर सामने से, तो पीछे उसकी surface पे कौन सा organ होगा? एक sac-like structure होगा जिसको बोलते हैं gallbladder. This green structure. This is gallbladder. What is the function of gallbladder? Gallbladder is a sac-like structure that is responsible for the storage of bile. Now the question arises, what is bile? I will tell you what is bile in later some minutes. So moving forward, what are the functions of liver? Liver is responsible for hundreds of functions, but the important functions are 4 and 5, which I am going to tell you. Number 1 is the metabolism of carbohydrates and lipids and amino acids. For the metabolism of carbohydrate, when the level of the glucose in the blood decreases, the liver stimulates glycogenolysis and converts stored glycogen into glucose and tries to maintain the level of glucose in the blood. When the level of the glucose in the blood rises above the normal, then liver takes glucose from the blood into itself and convert that glucose into glycogen and store that glucose in the form of glycogen by the process called glycogenesis. When the level of glycogen in the liver decreases, then sometimes liver convert amino acid into glucose and stored that glucose in the form of glycogen. For lipids, it takes the lipids from the periphery, from the blood, and stored it in the form of fat in itself. Number second function of liver is the deamination and urea formation. So basically, first of all, when proteins are degraded, it produces amino acids, and amino acids when degraded produce ammonia. Basically it forms ammonia. For the terrestrial organisms, ammonia is very toxic, and terrestrial organisms cannot retain that very toxic molecule for greater period of time. So they convert ammonia into urea by the urea cycle, and that urea cycle occur in the liver. Why the terrestrial organisms wants urea as an excretory product and not ammonia? Because ammonia is very toxic and ammonia requires large amount of water for its elimination from the body, while urea is less toxic and it requires, in comparison to ammonia, it requires small amount of water for its elimination from the body. So number third function of liver is the production of bile. Production of bile. So what is bile? Bile is a yellowish fluid that is produced by the liver and it is stored in the this green sac called gallbladder. So production of bile occurs in the liver and it is stored in gallbladder. Number fourth function of liver is detoxification. It can modify the structure of many drugs and poison to make them harmless. Like hydrogen peroxide, it can convert hydrogen peroxide into water, which is less harmful in comparison to the hydrogen peroxide. The fifth function of liver is the formation of cholesterol. The major organ responsible for the formation of cholesterol is liver. And another important function of liver is the thermoregulation, maintenance of body temperature within normal limit, because it is a very large metabolic organ. It can maintain the body temperature. And the last function of liver is the storage of vitamins. Storage of vitamins, for example, it stores vitamin A, D, E, K, fat soluble vitamins. And another important function of liver is the formation of certain proteins, for example, albumin, globulin, fibrinogen, and many other proteins, etc., etc. So this is liver. So this is all about liver. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you so much.